we live our lives convinced that time is a one-way street. The past is fixed, the present is fleeting, and the future is an open book, waiting to be written. This is our intuitive understanding of time. But what if that intuition is fundamentally wrong? What if the future isn't something that's coming, but something that already exists, just as real and as fixed as the past? This mind-bending idea, rooted in physics and philosophy, challenges our most basic assumptions about free will, destiny, and the very nature of reality. This is the story of eternalism, the theory that the future might already exist. To understand eternalism, we first need to look at the three main philosophical views on time. Our everyday view, and the one we intuitively feel, is called Presentism. Presentism says that only the present moment is real. The past is gone, and the future doesn't exist yet. It's a constant cycle of creation and annihilation, with only now being physically real. A more recent idea is the growing block universe, which suggests that the past and present are real, forming a block of reality that grows with each passing moment. The future, however, is still considered non-existent. But then there's eternalism. Eternalism is the view that all moments in time, past, present, and future, are equally real. The universe is a four-dimensional block of space-time, and every event, from the birth of a star to your breakfast this morning, to an event that will happen 1 billion years from now, exists as a fixed part of this block. The flow of time we perceive is merely an illusion, a trick of our consciousness as we experience each slice of this block. Eternalism isn't just a philosophical idea, it's a direct consequence of Albert Einstein's theories of relativity. Einstein taught us that space and time are not separate, but are intertwined into a single fabric called spacetime. And crucially, the way different observers perceive time can be different. According to special relativity, two people moving at different speeds will measure time passing at different rates. If you're on a spaceship traveling near the speed of light, an observer on Earth will see your clock ticking more slowly. This phenomenon, called time dilation, means that there is no absolute now for everyone in the universe. What is now for you is past or future for someone else. Einstein himself embraced a version of this idea. In a famous letter of condolence, he wrote, "For us physicists, the distinction between past, present, and future is only a stubbornly persistent illusion." He viewed the universe as a single, timeless entity where events are simply located in different parts of a four-dimensional block. The events are just there, like points on a map. The biggest philosophical hurdle for eternalism is the question of free will. If the future already exists, does that mean our choices are an illusion? If the universe is a static block of space-time, with all events from start to finish already laid out, then how can we truly be free to make a choice? Most people believe that we are the authors of our own future, that our decisions shape the path ahead. But in an eternalist universe, our choice to go left or right at a crossroads isn't a moment of creation, but a predetermined event that has always existed on our timeline. Our experience of making a choice is just our consciousness moving through that specific, pre-existing event. This is a deeply unsettling thought. It suggests that all our hopes, dreams, and aspirations are not about creating a new future, but about discovering the one that has always been there. So if the future already exists, why do we feel the passage of time so intensely? Why is the present moment so powerful? The answer may lie in our biology and our consciousness. Our brains are hardwired to process information sequentially, creating narrative of past, present, future. The feeling of time passing may be a fundamental aspect of how we, as conscious beings, interact with the four-dimensional block of space-time. While the idea of a timeless, unchanging universe challenges our core beliefs, it provides an elegant and scientifically consistent framework for understanding reality. It suggests that every moment of our lives, every joy, every sorrow, every triumph, and every failure exists forever, not as a memory in the past, but as a real, tangible event in the fabric of space-time. The question of whether the future is real is not just a philosophical parlor game. It's a profound quest that forces us to re-evaluate our place in the universe, the nature of time itself, and the true meaning of free will. Whether the future is a fixed destination or an open road, the journey we take through it is still the most remarkable story we will ever know.